Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss about characteristics and mantissa of a logarithm. So how we find characteristics and mantissa of a logarithm? Okay, so we will see one by one, and then after finding characteristics and mantissa, how we find the logarithm of a number. So what is characteristic? See, the integral part of the logarithm of a number is called characteristics, or we can say integral portion of the logarithm of a number is its characteristics. Okay, so how we find characteristics? See, we have two cases. One case is when the number is greater than 1, and second case when the number is less than 1. So in case when the number is greater than 1, then in this case the characteristics will be equal to 1 less than the number of digits to the left of the decimal point of the number. Okay. So we see the number, then we find the number of digits to the left of the decimal point and then reduce it by 1. So that will be characteristics. So we will try to find using example. See, it is number and then characteristics. Okay, so we will see some examples, then we can easily understand. Suppose the number is 350.25. So what is characteristics of this number? See, we have to see the number of digits to the left of the decimal. So this is our decimal point. Okay, so it has 3 digits to the left of the decimal point. So characteristics will be 3 minus 1. 1 less than the number of digits. So it will be 2. Similarly, if we have 50.25, if we see here, we have two number of digits to the left of the decimal. So characteristic will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. And when it is 5.025, here if we see, we have only one digit to the left of the decimal point. So our characteristic will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay. Now we will discuss the second case, that is when the number is less than 1. So in this case, when the number is less than 1, then characteristic is 1 more than the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit of the number. Okay, so we count the number of digits between the first significant digit and the decimal point. Okay, to the right side of the decimal point, and then we add one more, that is we add 1 to that number of zeros, and it is in negative. So it is negative. Don't you mean that one you add 1 and it is positive? So we will try to see with it the help of example. And one more thing, instead of writing, suppose our characteristic is minus 1, then we write 1 bar. Similarly, if our characteristic is minus 2, then we write 2 bar. Okay, so we will see with the help of examples. ठीक है, suppose this is number, and then we have to find characteristic. Okay, so our number should be less than 1. Suppose it is 0.523. So if we see here number of zeros between first significant digit, that is 5, and the decimal point, so there are no zeros. So what we have to do, we have to add 1. Okay, so it is 0 plus 1, but it should be negative. It is negative. You notice this one. Okay, so minus of 0 plus 1, so minus 1, but it we write characteristics as 1 bar. Okay, we should not write minus 1, we write 1 bar. Okay, similarly, suppose it is 0.0523. In this case, number of zeros is 1. So we have characteristic as 1 plus 1, that is minus 2, and we write as 2 bar. And if it is 0.0052, we have two number of zeros, so characteristic will be minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 3, and we write it as 3 bar. Okay, so this is how we find characteristics of a number. Okay, and please note that this is the integral part of a logarithm of a number. Okay, now we will see mantissa. So what is mantissa? See, characteristic is the integral portion of the logarithm of a number, while mantissa is the decimal part of the logarithm of a number. Okay, so how we find mantissa? We have to use log table, and from that only we can find. So I have arranged a screenshot of log table so we can see how we can find mantissa and log of a number. Okay, so this is how a common logarithm table looks. Common logarithm means base should be 10. Okay, so suppose we have to find log of 1327. So when we have to find log of a number, first we have to find characteristic, then we have to find mantissa, then only we can find log of the number. Okay. So here characteristics I am writing as ch. So what is ch? So we have to find characteristics. This is greater than 1. 1327 is greater than 1. Okay. So we have to see the number of digits to the left of the decimal. So decimal is after 7. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1. Okay, we have to reduce by 1. So characteristic is 3. Okay. Now we have to find mantissa and we have to use this log table. So what we do, we first we take this left two digits, that is 1 3. So 1 3 we see in this row. Okay, 1 3, this is our 1 3. Okay, if you are not able to see properly, you improve the quality of video, then you will be able to see. Okay, so 13 we select as the row, then after 13 it is 2. Okay, this is 2, and we see on the column which contains 2, so here it is 2, then we match both, so we are getting 1206. So we write mantissa. Mantissa is 1206. Okay, 1206. Next digit is 7. Okay, so we find mean difference for 7. Okay, so this column we have to see now, and same row, and this column. So when we see here, okay, so this is crossing at 23. So our mean distance will be 23, and we have to add here 23. So it is 1229. Okay. So mantissa is 1229 and characteristic is 3. So can't we find log of 1327? C. Characteristic is the integral part, so it is 3. And mantissa is the decimal part of the log, so 3.1229. That is this mantissa. Okay, mantissa is the decimal part. So log of 1327 is 3.1229. Okay. So in this lecture, we have discussed about characteristics and mantissa of a logarithm and how we can find the value of log of any number. Okay, friends. Thank you.